Hey, Beckett. Hi. Can I have your Bink, please? Can I have your Binky? Can I have it, please? Here. Oh, I know, yes. You're excited about the keyboard. Beckett? Beckett? Beckett, give me your Bink, please. Thank you. What's this called?
Daddy?
What is it? What's this called? Oh, what do you mean no? What's this? What is that?
Dada.
No, what's this? Can I give you a kiss? Beckett, can I have a kiss? Oh, thank you. What is this? What is it?
Daddy?
Bubby? Can I have a kiss?
Daddy?
No. Can I have a kiss? Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.